Okay, and a lot more water, please. Nice. Do you want to do a second row? If so, yep. Okay, look at me. Hello. Okay, keep going.
Running out of paint.
Well, add some water and paint. Okay, my dear, go for it. Now push this way. Yeah, down, down. Push, push. There you go. Ha ha ha. First drips of the day. Ha ha. Oh, you turned away from me. I gotta get this on video. This is extremely important. Here we go. Push it. Push those guys. Force your drips. Ha! There you go. What do you say? Doing our rosy columns now.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Oh yeah, looking good. Look at your striations. Good that you're following the differentiation between colors there.
See, now I need to come, I'm coming off to the side and it's working better for me.
Okay, cool.
I'm on the top of the world.
And the date? 04/23. Okay, hi Rob.
Thank you. How wonderful. On top of the world.